You did everything right. You told your kids, go to college, get the degree, build a future. And they listened. They borrowed the money, studied hard, walked across that stage. So why does it feel like the ground just shifted under their feet? Here's what's actually happening. Right now, 52% of U.S. job postings require no college degree at all. That number was 48% just 5 years ago. And only 17% of employers still ask for a 4-year diploma. The finish line quietly moved, and nobody announced it. Think about 2008. One morning, millions of Americans woke up and the equity in their homes had evaporated. The mortgage was still there, the house was still there, but the value? Gone. That's exactly what's happening to the college diploma right now, except instead of a housing bubble, it's an AI bubble, and it's your child's degree sitting underwater. Here's the number that should stop you cold. The average graduate in their 20s is carrying $20,000 to $25,000 in student debt, built on the promise of a $32,000 earnings premium over someone who skipped college. That was the deal. Study now, earn more later. But in early 2026 alone, 45,000 tech jobs were cut globally, and more than 20% of those cuts were tied directly to AI replacing the work. Not outsourcing, not a recession. AI. And here's the twist that almost nobody's talking about. The people who skipped the 4-year degree and spent 6 months getting an AI certificate, they're walking into roles paying $111,000 to $139,000 a year. No debt, better pay, already employed. Meanwhile, your son or daughter with the business degree is watching their entry-level job description quietly disappear. So who's holding the chokehold here? It's not one country, it's a handful of companies. Google, IBM, Apple, their ecosystems. They own the AI tools that made the old jobs obsolete, and they own the new certificate programs that decide who gets hired next. They moved fast, updating hiring policies in months, while universities were still locked into 5-year budget plans. By the time the schools noticed, the game had already changed. And this is the part that stings. There's $1.7 trillion in student debt sitting on American household balance sheets right now. That's your family's money, your kids' futures, priced on a promise that's losing value by the quarter. The productivity gains from AI, 25% faster output, 40% higher quality, those go straight to corporate profits. The debt stays home. Now, to be fair, some people are winning this transition. Certificate holders who adapted early are earning 6 figures without ever touching a loan. Employers say skills-based hires outperform degree holders 94% of the time. The technology itself isn't evil. It's fast, and it rewards people who treat learning as something you keep doing, not something you finished at 22. But here's the question worth sitting with. By 2030, 39% of the core skills being taught in traditional college programs right now will be obsolete. That means every few years workers will need to spend, again, new certificates, new credentials, new fees, just to stay employable. The debt on the old degree doesn't go away. The new training costs stack on top. And the companies that own both the tools and the training, they collect on both ends. So what do you actually do with this if you're a parent or a grandparent watching it unfold? First, ask your kids whether their degree program is teaching skills that can be demonstrated or credentials that just get listed on a resume. That distinction is now worth tens of thousands of dollars. Second, don't assume the crisis is about effort. The graduates carrying this debt did everything they were told. The credential itself lost its signal. That's a system failure, not a personal one. And third, and this is the real question underneath all of it, Who benefits when we keep believing that a 4-year degree is still the only safe path? Because right now, the people collecting the most from that belief are the same ones who built the technology that made it obsolete. The diploma isn't worthless, but it's no longer a guarantee. And the sooner your family understands that, the more choices you still have.